Hey kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at your home. Today I am back with the same chapter that I have explained you in my previous video, that is about the plant. I have already discussed with you the parts of plant. As we have different body parts and it has its function, similarly plants are also living creature and it has different parts of it and it has also its important function. Okay, without plant we cannot live because we get not only oxygen, that air we breathe, but also food. We get food from the plant and indirectly we get water from it. Okay, how that I will explain you in my next video. So in my today's video I am going to explain you types of plant. Okay, plants are of different size and shape. You can see around you, you can see there are some big plant, there are some small plant, there are some tall plant. Okay, so different type of plant we can see around us. So one by one we will be explaining you what are the different types of plant. We have trees, we have shrub, okay, we have herb, we have climber, we have creeper, we have water plant or floating plant. So you must be thinking, so many types of plants are there. Yes kids, we have so many types of plants. So let's discuss with tree first. So what are trees? Trees are big plants. So around you, whenever you will see big plant with the trunk. So what is the trunk? You can see this is the trunk. Okay, this part is called trunk. Then comes your tree. Your tree is it live for so many years. Okay, so trees are very big plant. Okay, it lives for so many years. Then what are the example of tree? Like your mango tree. Have you seen the mango tree? Your neem tree. These are banyan tree. So these are some example of trees. Then comes your shrub. So what is shrub? So shrub are bushy plant. Their stem you are having, the stem they are having, it's woody, thick and woody. I can show you one plant. This is the plant I am holding in my hand and you can see it has woody stem. लकड़ी का stem है इसका, ठीक है? And this plant is called क्रेप जैस्मिन. Which plant it is? क्रेप जैस्मिन. क्रेप जैस्मिन मतलब क्या? टगर गछ, ठीक है? टगर गछ को कौन कहती? क्रेप जैस्मिन. ओके, why it is called shrub? It is called shrub because it has woody stem. The stem you can see has thick and woody stem and this plant look bushy. Okay, बहुत ज्यादा क्या होता है? भरा हुआ रहता है. And another example is, see, this is your hibiscus, mandara gacha, ठीक है? And it has also woody stem. You can see this plant is also has woody stem. Thick and woody stem are called shrub. Okay? Then comes your herb. Now what is herb? What is herb? Herb, in herb, these are also small plants. These plants are smaller than shrub. Remember, these plants are smaller than herb, but the stem it has soft stem, green and soft stem. For example, I have a coriander leaves with me. As you can see, your mama is using this in garnishing the curry. Okay, garnish the food with it, and it has green and soft stem. You can easily break it down. See, okay, but the plant that has woody stem, it is little bit difficult. Okay, to break it down. But this has, you can see, has green and soft stem. So coriander leaves and your pudina leaves is the best example of your herb. Okay, herbal thing, because they are good for our health. Then comes your climber. What do you mean by climber? Climber means चढ़ना, ऊपर चढ़ना, है ना? तो चढ़ने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? सीढ़ी चाहिए. अभी plant कैसे climb करता है? The plant that needs support to grow. That needs support to grow. That is called your climb. Remember, climb means चढ़ना. तो plant कैसे चढ़ेगा? With the help of stick. With the help of you. कोई भी कहीं पे भी सपोर्ट चाहिए. इट नीड ऑलवेज इट नीड सपोर्ट टू ग्रो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर मनी प्लांट, सी हाउ इट्स लुकिंग. अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट दे दूंगी देन इट कैन ग्रो स्ट्रेट लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सो मनी प्लांट इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ योर क्लाइंबर. एंड योर ग्रेप वाइन, अंगूर का पेड़ आपने देखा होगा, दैट ऑल्सो नीड सपोर्ट टू ग्रो. ओके. This is your climber. Remember, money plant is the example. You can see around your house that money plant you can see, and if I will not hold it, see what will happen. It will fall down. So it always needs support to grow. Then comes your creeper. What do you mean by creeper? Like the snake creep on the ground, likewise this plant also creep on the ground. Why this plant creep on the ground? This creep on the ground because the fruit it bear, it is very heavy, like your pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, you have seen this fruit. This is so heavy. Okay, heavy. That is why this plant cannot stand straight and it creep on the ground like the snake. Okay, so pumpkin and your watermelon is the example of creeper. Then comes your water plant and floating plant. Yes, you have seen some flower that float on the water, like your lotus and water lily. So these are the plants that float on the water. They don't need soil to grow. Okay, so lotus and water lily is the best example of floating plants. So let's recapitulate it. So what are the different types of plant? Your trees, your shrub, your herb, climber, creeper, water plant or floating plant. So in my ZooMap class, I'll ask you few questions. Give me 2 example of herb, give me 2 example of creeper. So please go through this video and write down the names of different tree, shrub, herb, climber, all the plants name. Okay. So till then, bye bye and take care.